Do you know what I need right here in my shop? A spot welder. Because that would probably, I don't know, be fun. And also it would be fun to make one. So I'm not going to spend any money on buying a brand new one. What we're going to do is we're going to build one from cheap products. Most of this is crap laying around, basically. I've seen a lot of these on YouTube where they make those kind of clippity-clappity stationary ones. They're not really portable. So I want to make it as portable as my my air compressors. I can use it around the bench and weld stuff up, right? So let's make a let's make a handheld spot welder. And for that I got all of this one from what I can translate as, I don't know, Norwegian Craigslist, basically. A 10-year-old Whirlpool microwave. It actually works, but I don't need it to work because I just need the transformer. So we're gonna pull that out now. There we go. Save that for later. So here's the good part. Assembled in Mexico. That's exactly what we need. So let's see if I can just pull that one out. So let me show you an old trick I learned. It worked. This is pretty much like working in an old computer case. Whatever you touch, you're gonna get tiny cuts on your hand. So now we should be able to... Perfect. So from that whole microwave, this is the part we need. This is the transformer. This is what's gonna give us the angry sparkles we want for our spot welder. Okay, so I'm about 75 to 78.4% sure that this is the part to remove. So I'm going to go ahead and remove this part, keep that one, and then we're going to put some new a new power cord in here and use that as a sparky boy thing. So that took way longer than I predicted, but it's finally done. That part of the transformer is removed. So what we're gonna do now, I have a jumper cable, which I'm gonna see if I can squeeze through there, preferably at least 2 times. And the reason for using a big cable is you don't have to kind of spin it around as much as if you had smaller cables. Yeah, let's go ahead. Dinner break! I managed to wire this jump cable 3-ish times. It's gonna get really tight in there, so I went ahead and used a little bit of WD-40. So I need to, yeah, screw that one up. Not sure the heat shrink is gonna help much, but it looks a little bit better. Just to get stuff out of the way, I think I'm gonna see if I can't mount this in some good area. I hope this is not the place where I have a leak in the roof. It might be, but... yeah, that's solid. I should probably have tested that it works before I screw it up, but... oh well. If I did this correctly, I should be able to turn it on. It hums, and if I put these together, we should see some sparky boys. Yep, seems to be working. Okay, so what we want to do next is I found this kind of, I don't know what it is. It's a plier, I think, for removing interior parts of a car, or at least that's what the box said. So I found some copper pipes, and the plan now is to beep boop beep boop boop, do something like that. I have a plan. The 2 wires are stripped. I can't seem to get these on, even though I should be able to. So you see this plier thing I'm going to use. I'm also going to put these on the end, as I said, to kind of get that copper tip welding point thing that you want. And for those of you who don't know that, why you want to use copper, because it has the Angry Pixis flows very well through copper, and it's going to make sure that the heat doesn't end up in the copper. It ends up in the material you're trying to weld together. That's why you want to use copper tips. because copper is a good conductor of electricity. I also got this slightly larger heat shrink, which I'm planning on putting the tube in, passing that over the handles, and then the wire is gonna come out. I know I feel like a crazy person, and it's getting very late. Okay, remove that. So the wire is gonna go up to the top of the plier thingamajig, pretty much like so, on each side. And then I'm gonna see if I can squeeze this copper thing over all of this, bend it down, and get a boop, 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 boop. I know I sound crazy, and I'm starting to think that I actually am. Let's see if I can do this. I think I need to kind of lube it up. It's kind of rubbery. There we go. Cable comes out nice and sticky. And then I'm gonna go ahead and slide this handle in. Yeah, that seems dangerous enough, right? I just want to see if we get a spark or something. It's smoking and glowing. Yeah, that's probably bad. Okay, so that was a bad idea. So I should probably not use metal pliers for attaching these wires to. Now, shut it! I made some thinking, some soul searching, had a good night's sleep, and I decided I should try to make some kind of wooden plier thingamajig. I have no idea how to do that, but I gotta figure it out. So, cue time lapse. Okay, so I think I did it. As I said, I had to go for wood, not to be able to burn the whole thing up. It's not pretty, but nothing I've done so far is pretty. But it does work, so check this out. Spring right there. I put some copper tubing in here, clamped it around the cable, tried to make a little point in the middle, so these two actually meet in the middle. I've tested this, so that's why it's miscolored. Overall, very basic design. It's two pieces of 2x2 that I made some very crafty woodworking with. Yeah. And I know, you just want to see this in action now. So, let's try it out for real. So I got two washers. Okay, let's turn it off before I kill myself. Check out this video next, and if you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.